Welcome to AutoCAD tutorials. Let's talk about normalizing or grouping lengths in variable bar series. First, let's create one. We are here in the bar series menu. You can select the variable linear type, diameter 10 millimeters, spacing 10 centimeters, and we can create it. I will create a long series. Okay, let's modify this bar series. If you scroll down here under the options menu, you can see the grouping. Let's choose the horizontal one, enter value, for example 200 centimeters, press tab on the keyboard. And now, what it means is that the program will create groups every 200 centimeter. Click on End Modify, and we can check it by measuring these lengths. 210, 200, 200, and what remains. So, this is grouping on every 200 centimeters. Let's go back. You can change the value for 100 centimeters, and now a group has been created every 100 centimeters. And inside that group, as you can see, each bar has the same length. So 100 centimeters and same lengths. Right. Going back to modification, we also have vertical grouping. You can also choose some values. So this is how you can group them. I go back to horizontal for, I don't know, 50. I will create a line which indicates the slope of this bar series. And if you go to the Customize tab, you can search for grouping here. This is set for maximum, but you can also set it to minimum, which is a setting for the first bar of each group not to have bigger length than the theoretical slope of the bar series. So if it's set to minimum, the first bar of the group will reach that theoretical line where all these bars are cut, and obviously all the other bars in the same group will have the same length. That means that no bar will reach over this line. But if I set back to maximum, you will see the difference. Now the last bar inside the group reaches all the way to the line. It means that every bar reaches over this line, the cutting line. If I go back to medium, which is also possible, then the middle bar will be the sample for other bars in the group. Okay, so these are the options for grouping variable bars. Let's create an outside bar, create the steel. This is the outside bar. which can be included in an extract. I will generate a reinforcement extract by selecting just the outside bar. And here we see that the length is an X, which means variable. If I select the table, right click and create table steel bars, it means that we will have a list of all the bars with the unique lengths from the bar series. So we can see that we have 6 bars with 97 centimeter length and the weight for them. The next group has 5 bars with 105.6 centimeters and so on. This is the variable bars list. And there you have it. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.